Hey Jukka, where are we?
Huh?
Where are we?
We are at the Kuopio Market Hall Kauppahalli to buy some really amazing pastries because today is Runeberg's day and we're gonna get this pastry that we eat today.
These ones are gluten free. You can take a look at some other ones today. That's what we're after today.
Anything else?
Hey!
Ei tarvitse, kiitos.
Yum.
Hello, this is Jukka from fltservice. Here with me we have...
The lovely Erica.
Do I have to look on the camera?
Yes.
Okay, yeah, sure. So basically today is gonna be the birthday of J.L. Runeberg. This day is called Runebergin Päivä, Runeberg's day. So today is his birthday. And Runeberg was basically our national poet. And he made like, with his poet, like the Finnish people got this like sense of like national pride. Along with Kalevala and like stuff like that when Finland was under Russia.
I have a question. Do people go sledding today? Is that a thing?
No sledding
Isn't
today.
there a holiday where people go sledding?
Yeah, it's a different holiday. It's gonna be on next Sunday.
Oh, okay.
Same as the Valentine's Day, yeah. That is called laskiaissunnuntai.
Laskiaissunnuntai.
Yeah, it's
Excellent.
good, it's good.
Okay, so would you like give some of his poems? Would you recite some of his poetry today?
Okay, I'm gonna read some of his poets. So this is like 10th säkeistö. I don't know what's that in English, but
What is it?
säkeistö, it's like you know,
Like a short poem?
not like short
It's
poem.
not a haiku. It's not a haiku.
No, it's not even a short poem. It's like one part of the poem.
Uh-huh.
So, okay, I'm gonna read it now. So, totuuden runon kotimaa, maa tuhatjärvinen, miss elämämme suojan saa. Sä muistojen, sä toivon maa, ain ollos onnes tyytyen vapaa ja iloinen.
I know iloinen.
Yeah, because also one funny thing is the Finnish national hymn, national anthem, is based on this poem.
Aha. Nice.
It
So-
has the same name.
Can you like give some translation to it? Like you don't have to translate it word for word, but like what is the gist of it?
Yeah, like this, of course, this is like one part of it. So basically, this is like the land of poet, the land of truth, like the land of thousand lakes, where our lives get to be like on safe, like the land of the memories, the land of hope, like basically like to be happy, free, and like satisfied.
The land of the satisfied. There you have it.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's get to the most important thing. Then, so what are you gonna do today, Jukka?
I'm gonna eat the Runebergin torttu, which is a pastry.
Looks like this.
It's really nice.
Get the focus, get the lighting onto it. Looks really cool. And these ones are gluten free because Jukka is gluten free.
Yeah.
And so
You should
contains
too.
no gluten.
And these ones, I bought them from the Kuopion Kauppahalli, which is market hall.
Yeah.
Basically means market hall.
You'll see at the beginning of the video because we took the video there. In the comments below if you want to see more of Kauppahalli.
Kauppahalli. Yes, sure. Let's begin. Are you gonna taste?
No.
I'm gonna taste.
Show. You have to show it. Nobody can see it. Just looks like you're doing that to your foot.
Show the whole thing.
Yeah.
It's leaking a little bit, but here.
Leaking what? Okay, I go get a plate. Run.
Can you see this? So basically this is like the cookie part, and then this has like a little bit of jam, and this white part, I don't know what's that in English.
1, 2, 3. Nyt!
But Erika has a different thing, so can't compare.
It's sweet, isn't it?
It's quite nice. It has like this sahrami taste. It has like a sweet taste and also this, I don't know how to say it in English, but like this aftertaste. Really funny, really good.
Does it taste like cinnamon?
Yeah, a little bit. A little bit, yeah. Muy bien. Yes,
What's happening in March? That's what I want to know.
What is happening in March? March 1st, I'm gonna be better person in March. Then I was in February. And second one is gonna be that we're gonna have a Finnish 1 course again starting in March. So if you haven't come there like January or this month February,
It's
then
still happening.
It's still happening.
You can get in on it.
Yeah, and also Finnish 2, which is a brand new course.
Yes.
Like a sequel of Finnish 1.
Sequel.
So that's gonna be really nice. Also, we have
Reading club?
Reading club. Yes, reading club, which is also has been happening a couple of months. Also will be happening on March.
New topics,
New
exciting
topics, new
stuff with
exciting.
new vocabulary.
Yeah.
Good
new
discussion. New passion.
New passion. New love. New love.
New classmates too. By the way.
New classmates. Yeah, and also. This is gonna be exciting. Don't get too excited. Don't turn off the video, not just yet. We're gonna have a Udemy course.
Oh! But not just a course series. So first course will come out next month, I guess.
Yeah.
Hopefully.
Also, it's gonna be even visually, really, really pleasing. We hired a person who basically does all the visuals of it, so it's gonna be really looking like really nice.
Original illustrations.
Yeah.
Really eye-taking. Can I say that? Maybe?
Don't know.
Well, it's gonna be cute at least.
It's
so
gonna
stay
be, yeah.
tuned for that kind of news and try to get in on it. It can really improve your Finnish without actually doing some speaking with a native. So that way you can practice on your own time, and then your time with your tutor can be more valuable.
Yeah.
So practice the vocabulary on your own time, practice your conversation with your tutor. It can be better that way.
Yeah, it's really good.
Yeah. Also, debate club. What happened there? Nobody signed
Yeah,
up.
so basically debate club, is our new course, which is gonna basically 1 hour a week, just like speaking fairly. Of course, I'm gonna provide the topic and stuff.
Hot topics.
Oh, hot topics and extra hot, very hot, never below average topics.
Yeah, so that you can discuss and get your opinion. It's basically a speaking course, but something that's a little bit more edgy, I guess.
Yeah, like edgy, like sometimes, but the main thing is just to have a conversation, because that might be hard because Finnish people are shy, like me, I'm really shy, and maybe you don't have the platform to openly talk about in Finnish and stuff. Even if you make mistakes, of course, at least you can get the practice speak. But basically, that's nobody signed up for that.
Nobody signed up.
So
means if you want to sign up, send Yuka a message or something, and you guys can work something out. Otherwise, we'll try to make it more. Try to advertise it more.
Yeah, because I think the idea didn't really got into what it is and stuff like that.
People
So
didn't know what it was.
yeah, what it was. So basically, it's gonna be even better explain the stuff.
Yeah. Okay, so what you've all been waiting for: the new slippers.
New slippers.
I go get them.
They know it.
Yeah, it's in the title.
Ah, okay, sure. Yeah.
The title is called.
Yeah, new slippers.
New slippers. Let's get them out.
I'm gonna
We
fix
each got a
my
pair.
posture.
Okay, this is the size 43. 43 to 44. Yuka has large toes.
44 is my size, by the way. So if you want to buy me boots or shoes, 44 is my size.
And by the way, these are like really high quality and they're made out of sheep wool. Very good for Finnish winter. Like slippers. And where do we get them?
We get them from like Kuopion Tori. Kuopion Tori is the Kuopio, like the marketplace.
Often they do sell some nice stuff there.
Yeah, Tori, yes, Tori. There's like people who like selling like vegetables, like different
vendors.
Different vendors, yeah, with food.
Okay, Yuka, you have to put them on.
Legendary place.
Let's get ready.
Okay,
He's
so
putting them on.
paper. If you want reading here, I can send them to you. Here too.
Put them on your feet.
Yeah, I'm just gonna get rid of these ones, okay? So I can get them. Look at this.
Oh wow.
Is it a drip?
Those are beautiful. Wow, made of a dog. New slippers!
This one feels really snuggly.
They're very snuggly.
This is how they look like.
Oh, this is how they look like on.
Really good. How is this made? How can you make these ones for yourself?
I think you can't.
Yeah.
They're very cozy, highly recommended.
This is good. After work day, you come home, you just want to chill. You put this on, then you go like, oh, yeah, sure.
Slippers are good. Probably if you'll have a class with Yuka, he'll be wearing his new slippers then. I can imagine. Alright.
I don't have anything else to add. Thank you for watching this video. Please hit the subscribe button. Please smash that like button.
And if there's some kind of content you want to see, I will make Yuka do it. So you can write it and we will do it.
Yeah, we had like a couple of ideas, like you basically send it to the Instagram, but if you have more, you can send them to us. fltservice.
Great! Okay. Nähdään!
Nähdään. No hei.
No hei!